Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty with the Lariat package and four-wheel drive. It also has the FX4 package with the skid plates. And that Powerstroke Turbodiesel is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the tow hooks up front, fog lights, alloy wheels. With the Lariat package, they don't skimp on anything. It does have fixed running boards, tint all the way around. So it does have a Bedliner set up for a fifth wheel, power sliding back window. There's a dually. It has a tailgate step, and I'll go ahead and break that down, and then we'll take a tour of the rest of the vehicle. Okay, and there's the bumper pull tow package. And I will upload still photos of these things as well, so you can look up closer. See, it does have tan leather interior, and it does have a 110 volt outlet right there, along with another 12 volt and USB power supplies, keypad for the doors, and you have 3 driver presets there. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload a still photo of that as well. Okay, as you look down here to the bottom left, you're going to see that it has 56,937 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your trip computer toggles right here. And then you got your cruise controls, push to talk, stereo controls. And then your key fob is right here in your key. And then you have 2- and 4-wheel drive. And then your trailering controls, comfort controls. But you'll notice that it has both cooled or heated front seats. And then you've got your USB ports right there, and then your cup holders, additional stowage, another 12 volt power outlet down in there, and then you have your stereo. Let's go ahead and turn these lights off. Okay, all right, and so you see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you've got your climate controls, phone, navigation as well. This is also compensating for the darkness, so this has navigation and settings. And then with your settings, you got general and your radio, your vehicle settings, display, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. And then your vehicle settings or camera settings, and coating of the door and such. You have another 110 volt outlet up here and a 12 volt. You want to see the backup camera? You have this backup camera here with the guides, and then it has 360 degree cameras as well, which for this vehicle is phenomenal. Then you also have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then as you come up top, you have your bank of upfitter switches. Then you've got map reading lights and your sunglasses holder. And that about wraps it up for this F-350 on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title, as it hit a concrete divider, and that resulted in damage around the vehicle, but the airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.